Okay, here's the second video of the unbranded Littleton. It is the first day of fall today, but I'm going to upload this video and the first part tomorrow. Back in the first part, this didn't have any blades on it, and it was in the kitchen. And, runs very good. Love it. And this is a 42-inch white to washed oak, which is under there. Hampton Bay Littleton ceiling fan. It's actually an unbranded ceiling fan. Not really from Hampton Bay. But at Home Depot, when I was getting this fan, here's what I saw. Unbranded, what would have been a Hampton Bay Hugger ceiling fan. A Hampton Bay, well, actually unbranded Brookhurst. And I even saw a Hampton Bay Hawkins. The Littleton that was on the fan display that wasn't in a box had this motor housing in it. Okay. And this comes with a small light bulb inside, which I have in there now. This is going to go right where that is. That's the globe. This is what it looked like when I got it, and I finally found it. And it was all the way, it wasn't near any of the other fans. But I think I saw Hampton Bay Ultra there. I can't remember. But I could have. And this does not have a cane motor. And this does not have cane blades. This would have ended up saggy if I had 52-inch blades on it. I'm just going over to this side to show the oak. Washed oak. That's the washed oak. And now I'm going to put these in the ceiling when this gets when this fan gets ripped out. Really like this fan. It's a really great fan. It's like the Harbor Breeze Breezeway, but with 6 blades, a different motor housing, and a 3-way light kit. There was one of these originally located in my mom's room, mom and dad's room, and it originally had a broken blade, but if you saw the video that got uploaded of this one running, you'll know that it was the one in my mom's room. And yeah, it's a good fan. This one's a very good fan. And blades are slightly tipping up. For some reason, that is so weird. Don't know why that would happen. I'm trying to put this. I'm trying to put this on the inner motor because I don't have been doing. Well, there goes both of them. They're both right there. Now I'm going to be showing you this running upside down. I went upside down. Okay, I did not hear that last time. I did not hear that last time. That's where it's gonna go. It is a really good fan. It is 6:01 p.m., I believe it is. And that is, and the globe on it is a schoolhouse shade. Yeah, it's a schoolhouse glass shade. Oh, it's white and bleached oak. Yeah, white and bleached oak. 3-speed reversible motor. But I don't know which pull chain goes for the light and which one goes for the fan. I know that these are really good fans. Mom says that she doesn't like the Littletons, especially if it's the new version. And she also says the Cheapton 2 is ugly. And the Cheapton. But I don't like when my mom says bad things about fans. Really cool fans. I'm not sure if this one's for the light, or this one for the light, or this one for the fan, and that one for the fan. All I know is that this one could be for the fan. But that was a 42-inch Hampton Littleton fan. I'll see you soon. Goodbye.